awards are symbolic to the valuable scientific contributions made by our esteemed members of the society. अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी सेक्रेटरी आईएसआरएस डॉक्टर हितेंद्र पडालिया जी को कि वे आकर इस वर्ष के आईएसआरएस अवार्ड्स की घोषणा करें।
Very good afternoon to all respected dignitaries, awardees, delegates, member of ISRS and ISG, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the annual award ceremony of Indian Society of Remote Sensing. Every year, Indian Society of Remote Sensing recognizes eminent scientists, academicians, professionals for their outstanding contribution in the field of remote sensing and geospatial technology. As Secretary of ISRS, it is my privilege to announce ISRS award in different categories. Bhaskara Award is the most prestigious award of ISRS, and it is conferred for the lifetime contribution in the field of remote sensing technologies and their applications. And for 2019, Bhaskara Award is conferred on Dr. K. Shivan, Secretary, Department of Space and Film. For his pioneering and significant lifetime contributions towards ISRO's launch vehicle program and end-to-end mission planning, which helped to propel Indian space program to self-reliance in accessing this, as well as successful establishment of various Indian Earth and planetary observation satellite system. The Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers Bhaskara Award for the year 2019 on Dr. K. Shivan. May I now request Uma Maheshwaran, Scientific Secretary ISRO, to please honor Dr. Shivan with Bhaskara Award medal. The award citation.
Lead from ISRO HQ, please. प्रताप ISRO HQ दिखाइए.
Thank you.
And the CAS Award. Thank you, Scientific Secretary ISRO, for conferring the award on the behalf of ISRS. It is a privilege for ISRS to elect distinguished scientists as of the society for his significant contribution toward building a viable space infrastructure for the remote sensing satellite, which has enabled the country to become a leading nation in remote sensing applications. Indian Society of Remote Sensing elect Dr. K. Shivan as Fellow of ISRS for the year 2020. May I again request Scientific Secretary ISRO to honor Dr. K. Shivan with a shawl. And ISRS Fellow citation. Thank you, Scientific Secretary, for the participation. I now, on the behalf of ISRS members and everyone present today, extend our warmest congratulations to Dr. K. Shivan, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
I now move ahead announcing winners of other ISRS awards. Dr. Prakash Chauhan, Director IIRS, is elected as ISRS Fellow for the year 2019 for his pioneering and outstanding contribution in the field of ocean studies, air quality monitoring, and planetary sciences. Indian Society of Remote Sensing elect Dr. Prakash Chauhan as Fellow of ISRS. May I now request Dr. Prakash Chauhan to say a few words.
Hello, good afternoon to each one of you. At this occasion, when I have been elected as the Fellow of Indian Society of Remote Sensing, I would like to extend my warm greetings and a big thank you to Indian Society of Remote Sensing for offering this prestigious fellowship to me. At this moment, I would also like to thank President ISRS and entire Executive Committee of Indian Society of Remote Sensing, as well as Indian Space Research Organization for providing me this opportunity to serve the nation as well as the cause of remote sensing in this country. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Dr. SPS Kushwaha, former Dean Academic IIRS, is elected as ISRS Fellow for the year 2020 for his significant lifetime contribution in the field of forest resources and ecosystem studies using geoinformatics. Indian Society of Remote Sensing elect Dr. SPS Kushwaha as Fellow of ISRS. May I request Dr. SPS Kushwaha to say a few words.
I am extremely grateful to the esteemed committee of Indian Society of Remote Sensing and my peers for having elected me as Fellow of the Society. I feel truly honored and humbled by this gesture, whom I attribute to my colleagues, researchers, and students at NRSC Hyderabad, as well as IIRS Dehradun. I am sure this will motivate us further to excel in our work and achieve heights hitherto considered unachievable. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Dr. A.S. Rajawat, former Group Director, Space Application Center, Ahmedabad, is elected as ISRS Fellow for the year 2020 for his significant lifetime contribution in the field of application of remote sensing and GIS in geosciences, especially in user ministry projects. Indian Society of Remote Sensing elect Dr. A.S. Rajawat as Fellow of ISRS. May I request Dr. A.S. Rajawat to say a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am extremely happy and honored for being elected Fellow of the Indian Society of Remote Sensing during this annual convention and National Symposium 2020 of ISRS and ISG. I take this opportunity to thank Space Application Center, ISRO Ahmedabad, and all those who had been instrumental and partnered during this journey. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Dr. P.K. Garg, Professor Civil Engineering Department, IIT Roorkee, is elected as ISRS Fellow for the year 2020 for his significant lifetime contribution in the field of land resources and hydrological application using remote sensing and GIS. Indian Society of Remote Sensing elect Dr. P.K. Garg as Fellow of ISRS. May I now request Dr. P.K. Garg to say a few words.
I'm thankful to Indian Society of Remote Sensing for considering my candidature for the award of Fellow of the Society. This society has been helping the geospatial community in a large number of ways. I myself have been associated with the society for a long time and have published very large number of papers in the journal and also acted as a reviewer of the journal.
Thank you, sir. Satish Dhawan Award 2019 is jointly conferred on Sri P.L.N. Raju, Director, Northeast Space Application Center, Shillong, and Dr. Rasmi Sharma, Group Director, Space Application Center, Ahmedabad. In view of his pioneering and significant contribution in promoting space technology application in diverse areas and outreach activity, Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers Satish Dhawan Award for the year 2019 on Sri PLN Raju. May I request Sri PLN Raju to say a few words.
I have been honored with prestigious Satish Dhawan Award by Indian Society of Remote Sensing for recognizing my contributions in the areas of space technology applications, infrastructure development, training, capacity building, and outreach. I wholeheartedly thank ISRS for recognizing my contributions and honoring me with Satish Dhawan Award.
Thank you, sir. In view of her pioneering and significant contribution in satellite oceanography, data assimilation, and sensor definition studies, Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers Satish Dhawan Award for the year 2019 on Dr. Rashmi Sharma. May I request Dr. Rashmi Sharma to say a few words.
I am truly overwhelmed and humbled with this honor. A huge thank you for considering me worthy for this award. Thanks to Indian Society of Remote Sensing, esteemed panel, all my seniors for this prestigious recognition. This would not have been possible without the committed and the competent team that I work with. And to all my seniors, to them I'm truly indebted to. This award may be for an individual, but I accept this with all the humility on behalf of my friends, family, and colleagues who have directly or indirectly contributed in achieving this. Thank you once again. Jai Hind. Namaskar.
Thank you, Madam. National Award for Geospatial Excellence 2019 is jointly conferred on Sri Sasikant Sharma, Group Director Space Application Center Ahmedabad, and Dr. Narayan Panigrahi, Scientist G, DRDO Bengaluru. In recognition of his outstanding contribution in development of ISRO's Vedas Geoportal and promoting the space technology in wide spectrum of user community, Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers National Geospatial Award for Excellence for the year 2019 on Sri Sasikant Sharma. I request Sri Sasikant Sharma to say a few words.
Namaskar. I am very much thankful to Indian Society of Remote Sensing for considering me for this prestigious National Geospatial Award for Excellence. First, I am thankful to my Vedas team members for their untiring support in building such a unique portal. I am thankful to my colleagues at SAC and other centers of ISRO for providing all technical help and knowledge in applying geomatics technology in real-life applications. I am also thankful to my seniors at SAC and ISRO headquarters for providing all approvals, support, and infrastructure to carry out such large-scale applications of geoinformatics. This award is a booster and inspiration to me as well as my team for further excelling in the field of geoinformatics. Thank you once again. Namaskar and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. In recognition of his outstanding contribution in development of indigenous GIS algorithms and promotion of geospatial technology, Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers National Geospatial Award for Excellence for the year 2019 on Dr. Narayan Panigrahi. May I request Dr. Narayan Panigrahi to say a few words.
I am Narayan Panigrahi, a scientist working in Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, a DRDO laboratory in Bengaluru. I am extremely honored to receive the prestigious National Award for Geospatial Excellence from Indian Society for Remote Sensing. Receiving this award from ISRS is an honor for me and helps in dedicating my work towards the cause of remote sensing, geographical information science and system, and photogrammetry. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. P.R. Pisaroti Memorial Award 2020 is jointly conferred on Dr. C.P. Singh, Scientist SF, Space Application Center Ahmedabad, and Dr. Subrata Nandi, Scientist SE, IIRS, Dehradun. in recognition of his outstanding contribution in the field of remote sensing application for environmental studies, Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers P.R.P. Soroti Memorial Award for the year 2020 on Dr. C.P. Singh. Congratulations to Dr. C.P. Singh. In recognition of his outstanding contribution in the field of remote sensing application for forestry and ecological studies, Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers P.R.P. Soroti Memorial Award for the year 2020 on Dr. Subrata Nandi. Congratulations to Dr. Subrata Nandi. Indian National Geospatial Award 2020 is jointly conferred on Sri Kapil Oberoi, Scientist SF, IIRS Dehradun, and Dr. Sanid Chirakal, Scientist SE, Space Application Center, Ahmedabad. In recognition of his outstanding contribution in development of geospatial databases and open source geospatial solution, Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers Indian National Geospatial Award for the year 2020 on Sri Kapil Oberoi. Congratulations to Sri Kapil Oberoi. In recognition of his significant contribution toward development of algorithms and software for microwave data processing, Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers Indian National Geospatial Award for the year 2020 on Dr. Sanid Chirakal. Congratulations to Dr. Sanid Chirakal. ISRS Best Chapter Award for 2020 is conferred on ISRS Ludhiana Chapter. In recognition of outstanding contribution toward popularization of geospatial activities in the Ludhiana region, Indian Society of Remote Sensing confers ISRS Best Chapter Award for the year 2020 on Ludhiana Chapter. Congratulations to the Executive Council of Ludhiana Chapter. ISRS Young Achiever Award 2020 is conferred on Dr. Priyanka Singh, Research Associate at IIRS Dehradun. Congratulations to Dr. Priyanka Singh. Journal of Indian Society of Remote Sensing Best Paper Award for 2019 in Remote Sensing category goes to Andayala et al. For their paper Dense DSM and DTM Point Cloud Generation using Cartosat 2E satellite images for high resolution application. Congratulations to the authors of this paper. JISRS Best Paper Award in Digital Image Processing category for 2019 goes to Sarifzada et al. For their paper SIP classification in SAR images using a new hybrid CNN MLP classifier. Congratulations to the authors of this paper. GISRS Best Paper Award for 2019 in GIS category goes to Su et al. For their paper Application of GIS to Analyze Traffic Accidents using non-TOW country Taiwan as an example. Congratulations to the paper authors. JISRS Best Paper Award 2019 in Remote Sensing and GIS Application category goes to Singhal et al. For their paper Estimation of Leaf Chlorophyll Concentration in Turmeric using High Resolution Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Imagery. Congratulations to the authors of this paper. Hearty congratulations to all the awardees. With this, we have come to the end of ISRS Annual Award Ceremony. At the outset, on the behalf of ISRS National Executive Council, I would like to profusely thank the jury member of different award committees. I would also like to thank IIRS, SAC and EPDO office at ISRO headquarters for their cooperation and support in organizing the ceremony. Many thanks to the dignitaries and the participants of this symposium for making this award ceremony a memorable one. Thank you, one and all.